More than 50 families, including children in Port Royal, will be affected by a demolition exercise come Monday. The National Land Agency, NLA, has given them until that time to vacate their houses and businesses located on the beach. But as TVJ's Shamela Pullen now reports, the residents are not happy.
Saturday was a serene day for some residents in Port Royal, Kingston. Representatives from the National Land Agency and the police turned up at Foreshore Road in the sleepy town at the end of the Palisado Strip with an excavator in the morning to carry out demolition activities. But as they went from door to inform residents, things did not turn out as planned.
The British left this community to we. This belongs to we.
It is not your place to come and take us off our land, because right now it is making me and the people inside my city furious. If you don't realize by now, we have the very same setup like Maroon Town. We are people who had our land, and the land belongs to us, not you.
TVJ News understands that the area is a squatter settlement. The residents were served notice earlier this year.
It's not because we don't try. We have been to the various agencies, land agency, NEPA, all over the places trying to get permits so where we are. And they all said they don't own the land. So if they don't own the land, why are you coming now to knock down somewhere that you don't own? We intelligent too. So don't come feel like you can come to the backdoor deal pan we and show we have for a place. For tourists. For tourists. Imagine we are Jamaican citizens, and for tourists, them are do all of this for.
They're calling on the government to intervene.
So since you people care about us, the people, we need somewhere to live in Port Royal. We need somewhere to live. We don't live anywhere right now tonight. Where am I going to sleep with my kids? Where are my neighbors going to sleep with their children? There are a lot of children here, and we choose not to go out on the street. We'll build somewhere to live. We're crying out for help. We need somewhere to live. Andrew, that's why you're there. We want somewhere to live. I am willing and able to pay for our house through housing trust right now. Where are you? Where are the houses that you're going to build? You need to build those houses before you can get rid of us right here.
Meanwhile, the team did not go through with the demolition exercise on Saturday. They told the residents they give them until Monday to do so. It is not clear if the area is part of planned development of Port Royal. The government has been holding town hall meetings with residents as it pushes forward with plans to build a cruise ship pier in Port Royal. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.